In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks using Robinhood and share some essential tips that every beginner trader should know before getting started. Whether you're just beginning your journey into investing or want to refresh your memory on the steps involved, this walkthrough will make sure you feel confident navigating Robinhood's web platform. Let's get started by opening your preferred internet browser and going to robinhood.com. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice two main options. If you don't already have a Robinhood account, look for the sign up button and click it. You'll be guided through a prompt that asks for some information to create your account. Just follow those steps, making sure to provide accurate details as this is required for your security and compliance with financial regulations. If you already have an account, simply click Login in the top right corner and enter your username and password to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the main interface. At the top of your screen is a search bar. Click there and type either the name of the stock you're interested in or its symbol. As you type, Robinhood will display results matching your search. Once you spot the stock you want, click on it to open the stock's dedicated page. Within the stock's page, you'll find the buy button. Click on it and you'll be given an option to select whether you want to buy by a dollar amount or by choosing a specific number of shares. Adjust this according to your preference, fill in the number and then click Review Order. Take a quick look at your order details to make sure everything looks good, and when you're ready, click Buy to place your order. If later you decide you want to sell that stock, it's just as easy. Open the stocks page from your portfolio or by searching again, and then click on the Sell button. Follow the prompts to complete your sale. Now, here are some vital tips to keep in mind as a beginner on Robinhood. Always check the company's details before you buy any stock. This information can help you understand what you're investing in and make better choices. To avoid having to constantly monitor the market, you can set up price alerts. Simply open the stocks page, tap the bell icon, and turn on price alerts. This way, you'll get notified if the stock hits a certain price. It's also important not to base your decisions on the one-day price chart. Instead, review the weekly, monthly, yearly, or even 5-year charts to get a real sense of the longer-term trend. When starting out, consider beginning with smaller investments. Switch to the amount option when buying and invest smaller sums until you feel comfortable. Lastly, only invest money you don't need in the near future, as the stock market can be volatile and prices may drop quickly. And that's it. By following these steps and tips, you'll be set up to start trading on Robinhood with confidence and make more informed decisions as you grow your investment portfolio. Thanks for watching and happy investing.